What's up, everybody? It's the one and only Zara B. I don't want to be that long with this video, but I had to post it. I want to tell y'all about this bizarre-ass, crazy-ass story that happened to me earlier today at the Family Dollar store. As a woman, I don't understand why other women, when they get around their men, they feel like you fucking want him or you want to talk to him or whatever. And I'm going to give you a prime example. So here I am at the Family Dollar store buying toiletry for my house. I'm getting ready to check out. And as I'm getting ready to check out, that's when this girl is like rolling her eyes at me, batting her eyelashes and shit like that, kissing her boyfriend like, I love you. You was a God sent angel, babe. Give me a kiss and shit, just doing the absolute most. Whole time her boyfriend looking at me, winking his eyes. Shit, I'm like, this is some crazy bizarre ass shit. So anyway, she get up to the line. It's time for her to check her little shit out and shit like that. And then when she get up to the cash register, she get a cash lady, you know, her items and shit like that. And then she gets she gets so loud and bizarre. Like, I wish these hoes get out my motherfucking nigga face and I love him and it's my ride and die. And the fuck is wrong with these bum ass bitches? And if you want you a motherfucking man, you need to go get you one. And I'm looking like, who the fuck is this crazy ass motherfucker talking to? Because it was only me behind her and then 3 other dudes. So I'm looking at her like, girl, is she crazy? So she keep running off at her mouth nonstop, keep running off at her mouth. And then I finally got to a point and said,
bitch, I will take your motherfucking nigga from you. That's what the fuck I'll do. Bitch, not only will I take your motherfucking nigga from you, bitch, I'll take his motherfucking milk and cookies, bitch, and drop the fucking soap. Ho, fuck you talking about? It's secrets behind this motherfucking look, la mama. Your ass better stay in your fucking lane and stay in your fucking place. That's what the fuck you better do, okay? Shorty, don't nobody want him. Because if I wanted him, bitch, trust me, his ass was winking at me. I'd get some of that booty if I wanted it, bitch. Stop playing with me. Huh. Fuck is you talking about?
Y'all hoes don't know who the fuck y'all be fucking with, okay? It's more than secrets behind this look, okay? Be educated, bitch, before you run your motherfucking mouth. And on that note, we're going to keep having a good day. Zara B.